Are you among those who pronounce this word as fiance and this word as fiancé? No, no, no. Did you know that these two words are actually pronounced the same way? Yes. These words are homophones. They have the same pronunciation. However, they have different spellings and different meaning. One is used for male while the other is used for female. So we have fiancé. They're pronounced as fiancé. This word is pronounced as fiancé, and this word is also pronounced as fiancé. So we have fiancé, 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 and fiancé. I hope you've learned something new today. Remember to pronounce these words correctly. My principal is coming. Principal. The principal in my school. Principal, 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 principal. How can you have a teacher like me and you pronounce this word as principal? This word is not pronounced as principal. Yes, I know it has a L at the end. That is why you justify calling it principal. Yes, many of you will even go ahead to argue that the word is principal. There is no such word as principal, my dear. This word and this word are homophones. They're pronounced the same way. So if you can pronounce this word as principal, then you should also pronounce this word as principal, because they are homophones. Yes, they are homophones. For those of you who will argue, I would suggest you get a dictionary or even ask Google. You will realize that these words are actually homophones. You know, I'm always here to teach you how to pronounce words properly, right? Okay, so it is principle, 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 and there is no difference in these words. What if I tell you that this word is not pronounced as bedroom? No, it's not. Whenever you have two syllables, compound nouns, the stress is often placed on the first syllable and not on the second syllable. So when you say bedroom, you have placed the stress on the second syllable. What you should say is bedroom, bedroom, and not bedroom. We also have words like football and not football, wardrobe and not wardrobe, earring and not earring, gatesman and not gateman, dustbin and not dustbin, workshop and not workshop, standby and not standby. I hope you've learned something new today. Remember, whenever you have two syllables, compound noun, the stress should go to the first syllable and not on the second syllable.